I can't say enough good things about the folks at Caterpillar, and that's why I went with a Cat machine, is because I've always had an affinity for that business.
Yeah.
And people give me shit for it on the internet. I'm fine with admitting it. I love Caterpillar. I'm still a Caterpillar shareholder. I've had my 6th birthday party at the Cat dealership. This week was, I just don't think they understood how special it was for me to have that moment in time, because it's something I've dreamed of since I was a small child. And here I am, 26 years old, getting a machine for myself. Like, it was just really surreal for me to be like, wow, it's starting to come together.
It's not Starbucks this time.
Not at home. I'm fancy at home. Hold on, I just need to give Eric Jumper some real quick. Okay. Today, we're going to Caterpillar to go pick up, well, not pick up, but see my skid steer on the assembly line. I was last there in October of 2018. I told them the next time I'm gonna be back will be me picking up my machine. And here we are. Next time I'm back, going to get my machine. We're very excited. Thompson Machinery has spoiled us. They're flying us out this morning. I'm sure you'll see footage of that soon. And then Cat corporate overall has just been wonderful organizing this visit. I've been waiting for this since December, so pretty stoked. And we're gonna head out and go see some pretty cool stuff today. I think you're funny.
Walk down another set of steps into a lower basement.
I'm starting to see value in that though.
Yeah.
I'm chilling, dude.
Yeah.
Like, I'm just kicking it at home, eating my chili.
Yep.
There are a few perks to starting a company. You can do whatever the you want. So if you want to bring your chainsaw to the office, you can bring your chainsaw to the office.
Sure. I think I read about that in the story once.
Have a good day. I've been waiting for this since December.
So we're actually going to watch it get built, huh?
Yeah. It'll be on the line.
Like most of it, not all of it.
Yeah. I don't know how long we're actually going to spend there watching it, but they're like rolling out the red carpet for us. We're getting the full tour, and this is the first tour they've given since COVID.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it's like,
oh, snap.
the factory managers are the ones giving the tour.
Nice. Huh. Well, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, the guy I talked to, he was like, yeah, I've never even had a tour like this before. And I've been here like 15 years. So this is like, they have like the welding robots and all that. So they like, it's like sheet steel goes in one end, skid steers come out the other.
Wow.
It's a true fabrication facility. Grab your
There you go.
This is his thing.
No.
I can't be part of this.
This is all going in.
It's a good thing we only have 3 people that watch this. What do you want me to talk about?
I'll just do a little hi. I'm Eric.
Hi, I'm Eric. I'm along for the ride today.
Okay, we just got into Raleigh Exec Jetport, and we're off to the Sanford plant.
Whenever it's an issue, we did.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
To the airport, you guys came in.
I mean, you were gonna buy one on wheels, but I talked you out of that.
Yeah.
Everybody that participated in building it actually signed it on the back side.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we don't mind holding up against the crates. Crates, you want to get in there? So if you guys didn't hear Vic said that we had all the employees take the plaque and every employee on the line sign the plaque. It's the 12th. Pretty slick.
This is pro work right here.
You want to sit up front? Okay.
Oh man,
You got everybody?
you just got snaked.
What?
He's like, look at this pro work right here.
That still works.
I should have got you 6 of those. Dude, I can't stand hotels. It's just so much extra work than Airbnb. I just don't like talking to people when I travel all day.
And they have stupid questions.
Yeah, it's like, dude, just take my credit card and give me the room key. What do we got? Oh, nice. Okay. Oh yeah, really connected. Oh, are they? Welcome to day 2. We are in Clayton, North Carolina at the Building Construction Products Group demo facility, BCP demo facility. So this is the East Coast Caterpillar demo facility. There's 3 in the United States. There's 1 in Arizona for mostly big stuff, mining. There's 1 in Peoria, which is kind of their entire product line. And then there's 1 in Clayton, North Carolina, which is where their smaller equipment is. Skid steers, small loaders, small dozers, everything pretty neat. So we're gonna go to the loader factory today. Can't show you any of that. But this afternoon we're gonna be spending some time running the equipment. Eric Jumper is gonna be showing off like a presumptuous that he is. And it should be a good time.
That's entirely too sincere.
You know it's true when it comes to equipment. We're going to the wheel loader plant right now. As I said before, can't get a whole lot of footage, but after we do this, it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna go look at stuff that we can film.
How's it going?
You want to say something?
Yeah, we just left the loader facility. Now we're walking back over to the fun stuff.
This is in production now, guys. Okay. So I would say you are of the first groups to see it in action, but we are actively promoting it. You will find it in publications. We have done a press release on this. So you're on the front end of it, but it's not completely secret.
Gotcha.
Now what you're looking at, Ravi is sitting in what we call a universal operating station. The idea of this is we're gonna brag about small loaders today, but it's the exact same station that you would use if you wanted to run a Hex or run a track type tractor or any other products which would come on in a future state.
As Joel was saying before, you can have a bunch of machines over here in different locations. So I could be running a track type at PPG or an excavator in Tanaha. So you see all my cameras have come up here, and here you can see, I can see all the corners of the machine. Next thing I'm going to do is blow my horn, and it lets anybody know that the machine is getting ready to be remote operated.
So what we just saw is the CAT command system for this loader. I think it's a 938, might be a 928. Probably should have checked before we started recording. So what this is it's a remote operating system. You can either operate it from inside a building, way off site, halfway around the world if you want to, or you can use a remote control, which is what we're gonna go see right now, and you can operate it within line of sight, so you can actually see the machine visually with your eyes. You can do it either way. Now, a lot of people on the internet would be like, well, that's stupid, because I've seen all your comments, you jabronis. Reality is, this is for very specific applications, like Joel said in there. An example is, there goes the machine. An example is loading and unloading barges. So they unload barges with an enormous clamshell typically, but there's material that gets stuck in there that the clamshell can't get, so they need to lower a loader in there. Reality is, it's very dangerous to have somebody down in a barge. So instead of having someone down the barge, they can just use this setup. It's pretty neat. So specific applications, not for everything. You're not gonna see it on a job site just around the corner, but it is starting to become more and more common. It's pretty damn cool. The nice thing too is, if you don't wanna run it by remote, you can just hop in it, say, enough, Mr. Robot, I wanna run it myself, and that's a normal machine. Easy.
It's not like it didn't just happen the day before yesterday, so we're cool. So this is the throttle lock.
Okay.
I would suggest that we start off about there. That's going to give us a decent response.
I told Eric he's fired if he gets anything less than a full bucket on his first try with the remote control, because he claims he's the best operator in the world.
See, now with the bucket in the air, it's even harder because I don't have the front of the machine for the line.
Hold on, I just need to give Eric Jumper some real quick.
All right.
We might need a sandbag in case not heavy enough for the sensor. I was out to Tanaha, we couldn't figure it out. I get in the 299, damn thing wouldn't start up.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
We ain't ever had that problem.
Maybe if you eat some more pizza, you don't have a problem.
Eat some more pizza.
First time I've been discriminated against by a machine.
Yeah. Good. All the damn rabbit food.
Yeah, I need more Eric Jumper diet.
So if I was going to buy one, this would be one of them.
Yeah.
Probably the most
I just don't think they understood how special it was for me to have that moment in time, because it's something I've dreamed of since I was a small child.
Is he doing a good job?
He's doing okay. I mean, he just chopped that tire in half, but he's okay. I can't say anything bad because
No, you go ahead.
he brought me out here. So I have to say that he's the world's best operator.
He's not listening.
Just riding my coattails. And I'm not done. Eric's not done, but Matt's done because he has to go to the airport right now. Poor guy's not flying home with us. So I guess that's the end. See you on the next one. Won't be this cool though. I don't know what the next one is either. Stay tuned.
This is your first debut on the vlog.
Yes.
Angel's been in it. You
Angel's
haven't
been in it already?
Yeah. He
That
did
guy.
them before.
That guy. Thanks for Caterpillar for having us out. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's been fun. Can't wait to get our hands on our skid steer now.